Hello there everyone. Today we're gonna be playing the Legend stage. I don't know what stage, I don't know what is this, but wait, they're tougher than I thought. Here comes the big bad boar. Comes the big bad boar. I can beat that. There goes. And range attackers, go! Ah! What, another one? No! Hip hop, get him! Hip hop, get him! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're defeating the base, but not defeating him. Get him, lads. Okay, please don't be another one. Please do not be another one. Please do not be another one. Please do not be another one, I swear, please. Is this the last stage? This should be the last stage, right? What? Nope. Volcanic Defender. So this is Volkanos. What was that? Volcanic Defender. Okay. Okay. Oh no, a face. Oh no, shoot. Oh shoot. I have nothing. I have nothing. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. This is bad. Hey, at least ramen cats can do this. Get him, lads. Get him, lads. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, Teacher Bun Bun. He's too early. He spawns too early. That's not fair. No. Get him. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Thankfully, I spawned Nurse Cat. Oh, no, he's punching it. I forgot to put cat. Okay, I got meat shields. Okay, they're protecting. Never mind. Bro, when is he gonna die? Bro. When is he gonna die, dude? Just die already. We're knockbacking him. We're knockbacking him. Just look. Oh, it should be the last one. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yay. This is easy, bro. This is gonna be easy, bro. Let's go. Finally. What? Not the end? Oh. Okay, this one should be the last one, right? Okay, Flame Caldera. Flame Caldera. I don't know what that means. But we'll find out soon. Ooh. 999,999 health of a base. What? An enemy base. What? That's unfair. That is unfair. Uh-oh. I don't know what's gonna happen. Hey, at least it's not me, right? I don't know what's gonna happen. I think something is gonna... I think I'm very slow. Let's put an Uber. I don't know why I'm an Uber carry. Like, I just got 3 Ubers. I bring 4 Ubers. Get them, lads. Oh, no. There's no way I can beat that. Nah. Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait. He has a shield. No way. He has a shield. Legalon has a shield. What? Wait, what? Oh, he's immune to waves. What? That's why. Oh, I see. That's why he has a shield. Just what? No way. I thought Corey was very hard. Wave attack. Dude. Yeah, he's a base destroyer, so yeah. I could have just like, no way. Alright, what is a new one? Never ending cat story. Ooh, but yeah. Alright, bye.